Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to explain about Kepler law of planetary motion. So this video will be helpful for everyone who is preparing for any kind of government examination. So let's start. Um, all planets move around the sun in elliptical orbit, with the sun being at rest at one focus of the orbit. The position vector of the planet with sun at the origin sweeps out equal area in equal time. The aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. So this is very important point. Aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. Aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. The another important point is a consequence of this law is that speed of planet increase when the planet is closer to the sun and decrease when planet is far away from sun. So this is very important point, all three, and the next point will be also important because the question examiner may ask question like they will give four option and will ask to identify which is Kepler's law of planetary motion. So first is aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. Just keep remember, aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. Next point is a consequence of this law, okay, is that the speed of planet increase when planet is closer to the sun and decrease when the planet is far away from the sun. Okay, and speed of planet is maximum when it is at perihelion and minimum when it is at apogee. So this is also very important point. And now the difference between time period and radius. So square of time period directly proportional to cube of r3. So this is also very important point related to Kepler law of planetary motion. So all these points are very important for the examination. First, aerial velocity of planet around the sun always remains constant. Aerial velocity of the planet around the sun always remains constant. Second, consequence of this law is that speed of planet increase when planet is closer to the sun and decrease when planet is far away from the sun. Speed of planet is maximum when it is at perihelion and minimum when it is at apogee. And the relation between speed and relation between time period and radius is t square directly proportional to r cube. Okay, and another important point, like based on the above points, based on the above points, we can have one conclusion, like distant planet have larger period of revolution. The time period of nearest planet Mercury is 88 days, whereas the time period of farthest planet is 247.7 year. Because as per the Kepler law, if any planet near to sun, its velocity will be more. Okay, so if the velocity is high, means it will take less time in revolution. So Mercury is the nearest planet, so its velocity is high, so it's taking less time, only 88 days to complete a revolution. But Pluto is farthest planet, so it takes 247.7 year to complete one revolution. So this is all about Kepler law of planetary motion. In the next video I will explain about satellite. Thank you.